Me and Sabrina will talk about the importance of not littering in the classroom. A clean and organized classroom is not just about aesthetic, it is a fundamental requirement for an effective and positive learning environment. Throwing trash carelessly, even a small piece of paper, can have significant negative consequences. First, it will promote health and hygiene, reduces germs and bacteria. Classroom are high traffic areas. Leftover food, wrappers, used tissues, and other trash attract germs, bacteria, and pests like ants and cockroaches. This can be this this can become breeding ground for illness, leading to more students getting sick and missing school.
Okay, present a patient outdoors accumulated garbage, actively organized waste like food scrape begin to decomp and produce bad smells. That creates an opposite and distracts atmosphere that is not conducive to learning.
And the second is enhances focus and academic performance. Minimize distraction. A, a cluttered and dirty environment is visually distracting. It can make it harder for students to concentrate on the lesson, the whiteboard, or their work.
Promotes mental clarity. Studies in environmental psychology show that clean and organized spaces reduce cognitive overload and stress, allowing the brain to focus better on tasks. A study classroom helps students think more clearly and absorb information more effectively.
Third is fosters responsibility and respect. Throwing trash in its proper place is a simple act of responsibility. It teaches students to be accountable for their own actions and their immediate environment.
Show respect for others. Literally show a lack of respect for the classmates who have to sit at dirty desks and for the teacher who has to teach in a messy room. It also disrespects the school janitorial staff whose job is to make much harder by unnecessary mess. Proper disposal show consideration for everyone who share the space.
And create, creates a positive and welcoming learning environment. A clean classroom is a more inviting and positive space. Student and teacher are likely to feel more proud of their classroom and more motivated to be there. It creates a sense of shared ownership and community.
Improve overall mood. It's simply it's simply more enjoyable to spend hours each day in a space that is clean, orderly, and well cared for.
Five is supports environmental sustainability. The classroom is a microcosm of the wider world. Learning to separate recyclables like paper and plastic bottle from general waste instills crucial habits of conversation and environmental stewardship from a young age.
Reduce overall was when students are mindful or of their rest in the classroom. They often become more con- conscious, conscious of their consumption habits, leading to less waste generation overall.
And the last one, to ensure safety. Scrap of paper, plastic wrappers, or banana peel on the floor are tripping hazard. A clear floor space is essential for moving around to the classroom safely, especially during emergency or quick evacuation.
prevent pest infestation. As mentioned, food waste attract pests, some of which can bite, sting, or cause allergy reaction, creating an unsafe environment. So friends, let's keep our classroom clean, and not just our classroom. We must also keep our environments clean so that we can feel comfortable doing our activities. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching our video, and we apologize for any mistakes. Thank you and goodbye. See you next week. Bye bye.